Now let us learn about union-based SQL injection. So we'll go to BWAP and go to the SQL injection, get select. So you can see there is an option to select a movie and click on the button go, and it will give details about that movie. So you can see the movie number over here is 2. If we give 1, there's a result for that. If we give this one, it gives that the movie number is 6, and it gives the result for 6. So here instead of 6 we're going to give 50. It's saying no movies were found. So here we'll give a single quote, and you can see it is causing an error in the SQL, and it's giving there is an error in your SQL syntax, and check the manual that corresponds in your MySQL, etc. So here we'll give movie is equal to 2, order by 10. So it's saying there is unknown column 10 in the order clause. So we'll give 5, it's giving a result. We'll give 7, it's giving a result again. We'll give 8, you can see it's giving an error. Okay, so this means that it works until it is 7. So that means the number of columns is 7. After that it causes an error because it does not exist. So here we'll give union select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and you can see the result over here. So we'll give a hyphen over here, give enter. So you can see 2, 3, 4, 5 and 4 over here. So here instead of 3 we're going to give version and brackets. So you can see it's giving a version number over here. We'll copy that. We'll save that also. So we'll give database version is 5.1.41. Let's try to get some more information. We'll give database, and this is the name of the database, which is BWAP. Again we'll save that. So database name is BWAP. And we'll give table underscore name, and after 7 we'll give from information underscore schema dot tables, where table underscore schema is equal to the database name over here. So you can see that the table name is blog over here. So we'll just give group concat and close the bracket. So now it's giving the different tables in the database. Copy it. We'll save that also. So the list of tables in BWAP. So we'll try to target the table users. So here instead of giving table name we'll give column underscore name. So we'll get the column names over here. From information schema, instead of tables we'll give columns. Where table name is equal to, and brackets we're gonna give in single quotes we're gonna give users. So we'll get the different columns for the table users. We'll hit enter, and you can see the different columns. So we'll copy that. So list of columns in users table. So here after 7 we'll give from users, and we'll give login over here, and password, both of them. So we'll only get login and password from here. And you can see the login and the passwords for all the different users. So we can copy that, so, and paste it over here. So this is the values in the user table. So this is the username, and this is the password, which is hashed over here. So let's look at the vulnerable PHP code. So it's getting the ID from the get parameter movie. So the SQL query is select from movies, where the ID is equal to the ID that the user selected. So now it's gonna make that into a variable over here. So this is gonna show the movie details when a valid record exists. So it's gonna get the title, the release year, and main character, genre, etc. Else it's gonna say no movies were found. So let's look at this from the database perspective. So let's log into MySQL as the root user, and we're going to use the BWAP database. So we'll get the different details in the table movies. So you can see its ID, title, release year, genre, main character, IMDb, and ticket stock. So let's run this SQL command along with this. So select from movies where ID is equal to 1, and you can see it's giving the result where ID is 1. So we'll give where ID is equal to 2, and it's giving the result for 2. So we'll give where ID is equal to 2, order by 10. So it's giving unknown column 10 in the order clause. So because there is only 7 columns in this table, so let's give 5. So it's giving a result, and 7 it's giving a result. But for 8 it will not give a result because there are only 7 tables in 7 columns in this table. So we'll give union select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So it's gonna give the results for 2 and 1 over here. It's gonna give the results for 2 and also for this. We give hyphen 2. So it's gonna give only the results over here. So in 3 we're gonna give version, and this will give us the version over here. So we'll give database, and we'll give the database name, which is BWAP. So we'll give group underscore concat table name, and from information schema tables, where table schema is equal to and database. So we give enter, and it's giving the different tables in the database BWAP. So we'll give column name from information underscore schema dot columns, where table underscore name is equal to users. So it's going to give the different columns and users. So we'll give login, comma, colon, and comma password, and we're gonna get the details from users. So when we hit enter, we'll get the results over here. So you can see the login and the password over here.